In this video, I'm going to talk about the 3 most common difficulties Amazon sellers face and how you can overcome them. Introduction. As an Amazon seller, you're no doubt familiar with some of the struggles that come with the territory. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 3 most common difficulties Amazon sellers face and how you can overcome them. So whether you're just starting out or have been selling for a while, these tips will help you take your business to the next level. In today's competitive e-commerce landscape, it pays to be savvy when it comes to selling on Amazon. To stay ahead of the competition, conscious sellers must dig deep into data and reviews in order to find market trends and make informed decisions about their products. At the same time, it is important to analyze competitors' comments to identify loopholes and areas of improvement. This helps optimize your product descriptions and identify selling points that will set your listing apart from the rest. Next, review feedback from customers who have purchased your product. Analyzing their comments can help you refine products and enhance customer experiences. By keeping a close eye on customer reviews, you can also take steps to protect against negative experiences or reviews that could damage your reputation. Finally, responding quickly and effectively to customer inquiries or complaints is essential in building a solid service reputation with customers and potential buyers. Keeping communication lines open allows customers to feel heard and valued, which is key in increasing loyalty towards your brand. In conclusion, remember that mastery of Amazon's algorithm comes down to understanding and implementing the insights behind category reviews, competitor comments analysis, and customer feedback analysis, all while providing stellar customer service for shoppers. That's why we put together this guide full of detailed strategies that provide everything you need to know about selling on Amazon successfully. So what are you waiting for? Check it out now.